Looking to refresh your space with style and convenience? In this guide, we're exploring the best 8 by 10 washable rugs perfect for busy homes, pet owners, and anyone craving easy care floor decor without sacrificing beauty. Let's dive in. Number 1. Genemo 8 by 10 Area Rug. The Genemo 8 by 10 Area Rug is a fantastic blend of vintage aesthetics and modern practicality, earning its spot among the best 8 by 10 washable rugs for homes that value both style and function. This rug impresses right away with its intricate floral patterns and harmonious color tones, skillfully capturing the elegance of traditional designs while adding a touch of contemporary flair. Made from high-quality, low-pile soft fibers, it delivers a surprisingly plush feel underfoot without being overly thick, perfect for high-traffic areas or beneath furniture. The pattern's consistency and richness in color closely match the product images, which isn't always guaranteed with online rug purchases, making it a reliable choice for buyers seeking authenticity. The rug balances classic, boho, and modern influences, fitting effortlessly into various decor styles. Durability is a key strength, with long-lasting fibers and dense machine weaving that withstand heavy foot traffic while maintaining their structure. The non-shedding surface helps keep your space cleaner, while its soundproofing quality adds a touch of coziness to any room. Creases from shipping can be easily remedied by rolling the rug in the opposite direction and adding some weight for a day. Number 2. Champlant 8 by 10 Area Rug. The Champlant 8 by 10 Area Rug is an ideal pick for those looking for the best 8 by 10 washable rugs that combine vintage character with modern functionality. Its chic, distressed floral pattern pairs seamlessly with its faded color palette, adding a stylish, lived-in look to any room without sacrificing quality or practicality. Made from high-quality faux wool fibers, this rug is impressively soft underfoot. It genuinely feels as light and fluffy as cotton balls, offering a gentle surface whether you're barefoot or in socks. The design perfectly balances classic charm and current trends, making it a versatile fit for living rooms, bedrooms, dining areas, or even a cozy home office. Designed with busy homes in mind, this rug features a 0.27-inch low pile that ensures pet dander, dirt, and hair won't get trapped deep within the fibers, making cleaning remarkably easy. Its stain-resistant, non-shedding surface maintains a fresh, tidy look without requiring constant care. Plus, it's pet and kid-friendly, resisting scratching, chewing, or snagging, a significant bonus for families with curious little ones or energetic pets. The ultra-thin, Moroccan-inspired design also prevents tripping hazards and won't obstruct doors or furniture, offering convenience as well as aesthetic appeal. Practicality extends to its non-slip TPR rubber backing, which holds the rug firmly in place, even in areas with high foot traffic. It prevents heavy movement, scuffing, and accidental slips, keeping both your floors and your family safe. Number 3. Haus 8 by 10 Area Rugs. If you're searching for the best 8 by 10 washable rugs that offer timeless style with modern ease, the Haus 8 by 10 Area Rugs are worth a look. These rugs stand out with their gracefully faded tribal designs, featuring a soothing charcoal base accented with soft beige, cream, taupe, gold, and ivory tones. The vintage-inspired patterns give any room a sense of historical elegance while seamlessly blending with contemporary, boho, or eclectic decor. Made from soft faux wool, this rug's plush, dense surface feels luxurious underfoot while remaining low-pile enough to avoid obstructing doors. An ideal balance for living rooms, bedrooms, or dining areas. One of its strongest features is its machine-washable design. When life's inevitable messes strike, this rug is easy to freshen up with a gentle cold water wash and air dry or tumble on an air-only cycle. Regular upkeep is simple too, requiring only a vacuum with a soft roller or dusting brush. Its thin, foldable design makes it convenient to place under furniture, roll up for storage, or allow robotic vacuums to clean over it effortlessly. The Haus rug also includes a reliable, non-slip rubber backing that prevents slipping and sliding on hard floors, offering added safety for homes with children, pets, or high-traffic areas. Whether in a busy hallway or cozy reading corner, this rug remains securely in place while adding warmth and character. While minor creases from shipping are normal, they naturally smooth out over time or with light rolling in the opposite direction. Its thoughtful construction and low-maintenance care instructions make this rug a great option for anyone wanting style without hassle. Number 4. Lahome 8 by 10 Area Rug. The Lahome 8 by 10 area rug is another excellent contender among the best 8 by 10 washable rugs. Designed for homeowners seeking plush softness, durability, and stylish flair in one convenient package. Crafted from faux wool, it delivers an incredibly soft underfoot experience, almost like walking on clouds. This makes it especially inviting for barefoot strolls through the living room or bedroom. The rug's vintage-inspired, distressed patterns give any space a touch of nostalgic elegance, blending well with modern, rustic, or boho home decor themes. Its thoughtful, functional design extends to the skid-resistant TP backing, ensuring the rug stays firmly in place on various floor surfaces. This added safety feature is perfect for high-traffic areas such as entryways, living rooms, and hallways, reducing the risk of slips and trips. The low-pile construction means it won't interfere with doors and makes it resistant to snagging by pet claws or curious toddlers, offering peace of mind for families and pet owners alike. Cleaning and maintenance are refreshingly easy with the Lahome rug. For daily upkeep, it responds well to spot cleaning, vacuuming, or sweeping with a broom, while robotic vacuums can glide effortlessly over its thin, flat surface. For deeper cleaning, smaller sizes can be machine washed, though larger 8 by 10 and 9 by 12 sizes are best taken to a commercial laundromat for professional cleaning. Its pet-friendly design means fur, dirt, and dander won't cling tightly to the fibers, making cleanup quick and stress-free. Number 5. Releany 8 by 10 area rug. Rounding out this list of the best 8 by 10 washable rugs is the Releany 8 by 10 area rug, which excels in both aesthetics and practicality. Its elegantly distressed floral design lends a vintage meets modern appeal to any living space, with colors that beautifully complement a variety of home decor styles. The soft, low-pile surface is a delight underfoot, providing a smooth, even texture that pets and kids will love. The tight weave ensures the fibers remain intact, minimizing shedding and offering a clean, polished look. What sets the Releany rug apart is its water-repellent surface, making spills and accidents far less of a headache. Liquids bead up on the surface, allowing you to quickly wipe them away before they seep in. Localized stains are easily handled with a damp cloth and mild cleaner, while overall maintenance is as simple as a quick vacuum. And when a deeper clean is needed, this rug's machine-washable design makes it easy to keep looking like new. The non-slip backing is another thoughtful touch, keeping the rug securely in place even in high-traffic areas. Whether under a dining table, in a living room, or welcoming guests in an entryway, it stays firmly in position while protecting floors from scratches. Its ultra-thin, foldable design prevents doors from snagging, ensures compatibility with robotic vacuums, and makes storage or repositioning hassle-free. Designed for everyday life, the Releany 8 by 10 area rug offers a winning combination of visual appeal, comfort, and convenience. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.